If you're new in a trucking business, or you're trying to start up a trucking business, or if you're watching this video because you want to start up a trucking business, even if you're already in the trucking business, we're going over what to look out for while you're over the road, some things that you need to watch out for, and some obstacles that you can avoid that may cost you some major money, and how to make the best and how to make the most money in your new trucking business, starting out making $1,000 a day. If you stay tuned to the end of this video, we're going over methods on how you can scale up your trucking business to its full capacity so you can be making $1,000 or more a day, and some things that you need to watch out for that may cost your pockets heavily and could cost you probably $200 to $500 a day. Be sure you watch this full video so you can get the full effect, and so that you won't come out empty-handed of knowledge after this video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel where we post daily videos on trucking and how to make money easy online. Turn on those post notifications so you can get notified for the litness. Without all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight into it. What to look out for while you're over the road. Stay tuned for more at the intro. Woo! Some things you need to watch out for while you're over the road, guys. In this trucking industry, things are very, very dangerous out here. Not just talking about, you know, the truck itself and driving that big boy truck with that big boy weight. No, guys, we're talking about the civilians. We're talking about the innocent bystanders that's just sitting there at the rest stops waiting for truck drivers like yourself to slip up. Yes, guys, there is people at truck stops, people just scouting out at these rest stops to wait for truck drivers that's lacking, that may not have locked their doors, and they're waiting to come in and get their hands on whatever they can as fast as they can. Yes, guys, it is a philosophy that truck drivers have a lot of money. I don't know why, because everything is expensive and this trucking business is not cheap to keep it going. So everybody thinks we have a lot of money, and that for some reason we keep money in the truck and keep expensive valuables in our truck with us. So because that people think that there is valuables in the truck, at these rest stops, at these gas stations, there are people that are scouting around looking for you to slip up so that they can quickly go into your truck and find whatever they can get their hands on and take some free items for themselves. You want to always lock your doors, always lock your doors. Stay safe out here, and whenever you get out your truck and whenever you are around your truck, you want to have your head on the swivel. You know what I mean? You want to be, when you're pumping that gas, man, you want to be, you know what I'm saying? You always want to be on alert, and when people see you on alert, they're not even going to mess with you because they know the minute they try to do something, they might just get caught. So they don't want to mess with you. They don't even want to take the chance, guys. So make sure you're on alert. If your head is on a swivel, not only will you be able to see them coming, but they know that you're going to see them coming, so they won't even try it. Another thing to watch out for in this trucking industry while you're over the road is you want to watch out for these truck diggers, guys. Yes, I know I said it wrong probably. They're not called truck diggers, but these people are pretty much gold diggers that are out. They're pretty much female prostitutes. I don't want to say it because YouTube is just getting soft, man, but yes, they're pretty much females that are trying to get some extra loving for some extra cash money. Guys, it's one of the biggest setups in the trucking industry for simps. But yeah, guys, there are, like, you know, hookers out here that's trying to steal your money, that wants to try to get in your truck to either spend the night, have somewhere to stay because they're homeless, or either get some quick money out of you for providing the services that Lord knows what that service may be. But yeah, guys, you really want to watch out for these people because they may seem like they're just regular people and that they really like you, but at the end of the day, they're just trying to get some money or just a place to stay. Don't fall for it, because the biggest concern is not just your money, but it's your overall health, because you never know what that person may have and how many people she has done that same action to. Save it for another day. Just save it for another day, man. Don't do it. It's nasty. It's nasty and they're nasty. Also, something that you need to watch out for, just like any other business, guys, there are scammers, guys. There is fraud. In the trucking industry, the way that people scam is they pretend to be brokers, or they either are brokers and they're pretending to be under a company that they're not actually registered with or not actually working for. What they do is they impersonate a brokerage company so that you can, you know, do your due diligence, do your broker search, and if you do it through your factoring company, it may pop up as approved, and now you trust that broker to pay you on time, but instead, guys, it's a fake broker and they will not pay you for the load that you've just driven. Now, guys, driving a load and not getting paid is one of the worst ways to lose money in this trucking industry, because not only you've lost $300 or $200 a day on your gas, you've also lost your time, you've also lost your effort and energy, and you also lost a full day of work and so much money on gas. And if you are renting out a truck so that you can eventually own your own box truck or semi truck, if you're renting, guys, you've now just lost so much more money and miles because there is a per mile fee. This will absolutely, you know, kill you, kill your spirit. And if you're newly started in this business and this happens to you and some other things aren't going right for you, it just may make you want to quit. Don't worry, guys, don't quit on your dreams. Don't quit on trying to make this $1,000 a day. The money's always gonna be here. Trucking is always gonna be running. Literally, it runs the country. Nothing would be in your house if it wasn't for trucking. Even if it was plane, train, or boat that delivers everything, it still needs to get on land and get to your front door via truck. Even in the future, we're still gonna need trucks, guys, even though it might be automated drivers, you know, little robots driving the car itself. That's when you have to step outside the box and hop on the other side of things, start dispatching these loads, start giving out the loads to people and taking off $100 per load plus a 5% fee for supplying that load, or a 10% fee for giving that person that load, guys. Just go ahead and start making you some extra money elsewhere, still in this trucking business. If you want to learn how to make money dispatching and how to start a dispatching company, guys, please check out this video right here and you can learn how to get started dispatching using Amazon Relay. Also, guys, some key things that you want to bring if you're new to this trucking industry is, while you're over the road, you want to have some blankets, you want to have pillowcases, 2 or 3 pillowcases, and the reason for these pillowcases is for the windows, guys. And you want to have a visor for your front windshield. Go ahead and go to an auto store, you know, Advanced Auto Parts or O'Reilly's. Get you a $10 visor, block out the front window, put the pillowcases on the side windows so that while you're sleeping in your rest stop at a gas station, on the middle of the street maybe, you will have absolute privacy so that people won't be looking at you while you sleep and try to be creepy or try to even do something to your truck while you're in there, guys. Also, this really helps out when it's daytime and you're waiting on to get another load. You can block out that sun and you probably won't have to turn your AC on while you're sitting in your truck waiting, because it's nice and cool in there because you're shaded up and it might not be at that hot of a time of year. If you haven't already got yourself a factoring company yet, get a factoring company so that you can get paid from your load in just 2 days. When you get these loads, they have up to 60, even 90 days to pay you, but most of the times it's a net 30, so they have 30 days to give you your money for that load. But who wants to wait 30 days to get paid for a load that they did, guys? We need our money now. So a factoring company will allow you to get paid in just 2 days with just a 2% fee. 2% of the load fee, guys, is all you have to pay, and you get your money in just 2 days, and it helps with your taxes. So just go ahead and get you a factoring company if you haven't already done so yet. If you want a video more on factoring, here it goes right here. Boom, go ahead and check that out on factoring. Yes, guys, if you're trying to rent a truck to eventually own your own box truck, man, I've personally done it myself. I have had good experiences and I have had a lot of bad experiences with renting out a box truck but it will surely get the job done if you want to make $1,000 to $2,000 net profit a week. But if you're still thinking about renting out a box truck, go ahead, check out this video right here on how I rented a box truck and made $5,000 in a week. If you are in the box truck industry, you know that you have to sometimes load up your truck and that sometimes you have to load off your truck via pallet jack or something in that sort. If you already don't have a pallet jack, it's $400 to get a pallet jack. That's something else that you're gonna need, and you're gonna need straps. Yes guys, if you're in the box truck, more than likely 70% of the time you're gonna be unloading and loading your own truck. Semi trucks don't have to worry about this because the forklift can go straight on the truck and come straight off, no problem. But some companies are scared to put a forklift on a box truck because of the weight and because of the height and all that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on some things you need to watch out for while you're starting up this business or while you're in this business. And this is just some things that's gonna happen to you or that might happen to you, but I'm here to tell you the information so that the bad things won't happen and so that you can make more money and succeed more in your newly fresh business. If you did find this video helpful, man, give it a big thumbs up so we can share this video to multiple people so multiple people can save some money and make money more easily. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so yet. And check out the link in the description. We have classes and courses on how to make money the easy way online, crypto, and how to boost your credit fast over on the Patreon link in the description. And if you're still feeling lost and you want to reach out to me to talk to me one-on-one, I do offer coaching calls for only $10 to talk to me one-on-one, and I will answer all your questions in my best ability. And even if you want me to start up your own business for you, to get everything started for you, I do have mentorship step by step, and I will start it up and do everything for you for a very cheap cost, guys. With all that being said, man, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Turn those post notifications on so you can get notified tomorrow for this daily content to make money the easy way. This is Black Investors Group, and we out. Woo!